out.
Yeah.
Right there. As Eric said, hope for the fair. Wait, go, Eric.
Just did it.
Just did it. Yeah,
You're tiny up there compared to here.
Woo! Alright, keep it rolling too.
Well done.
There's no way on the fucking God's green earth that I'm jumping off of that.
Alright, she's rolling a video and we're gonna put it on Facebook if you don't.
Dude, go crazy. For the rest of the world, fuck you. I'm not jumping. May this get 10 million hits. Fuck it.
Come on, Dave.
Hell no.
Al and I both did it. We'll be fine.
Good for you guys.
I'm just saying.
I'm really impressed, but holy fucking shit. I don't feel comfortable on top of this piece of shit tree, much less.
Imagine the exhilarating feeling that you will have after you do it.
No.
You've attracted some fish again.
Fishman's back. Whew. You're talking to the fish again.
But now go to the other one.
I don't know how much storage that uses.
Yeah.